Hello friends, in our last video we had shared our view that somehow Bank Nifty may outperform Nifty as a whole, and we can see that in the last trading session bulls managed gains over 1.5 percentage for Bank Nifty over its previous close, whereas for Nifty gains were nearly to the 1 percentage. Now if we check daily chart for Bank Nifty, then again expanding wedge or a broadening wedge formation is still about to touch its upper trend line. That means more upside cannot be ruled out as per the daily time frame chart structure. Now if we compare RSI, then RSI is also not that much upside that we should be worrying about. Now if we check smaller time frame data, that is 1 hour, then again a rising channel formation is still intact and upside is still due, or we can say that higher levels still can be seen as per this structure as well. Now if we try to check out the level that we are supposed to consider as a resistance, then resistance may come near to 38,500 or near about levels. So somehow we can say that resistance is nearby on a smaller time frame, but again at that point of a time, what is the situation during a intraday chart needs to be checked out. Now if we consider option chain data, then max pain is at 38,100, which suggests some upside. Highest OI is at 38,000 put strike price, which is bit far from current level, and we can consider this as a strong support because max pain got shifted from 37,700 to 38,100. So support has indirectly inched up and bulls are still in a driver's seat. Further, if we try to check 39,000 call contract, 38,500 call contract, then 61,500 and approximate 60,000 contracts are at OI, which can be considered as a resistance, but looking at the momentum, chances are very high that 38,500 may also get cleared during today's trading session. But at that point of a time, we are supposed to check 38,500 strike price, call option, which closed near to 300 rupees in the last trading session. But because of a time value, or you can say a theta decay, we shall wait for its closing above this particular zone, that is near to 300 or 350 levels. If bulls manage to clear it and lift it above 350 levels, then we can expect more upside as well, and above 350 it may inch up to 500 levels as well. Please make a note, friends, that on a smaller time frame, if we consider Bank Nifty chart, then somehow RSI is giving bit cautionary approach, so fresh long positions should be taken with some hedge or with some proper risk management. because some volatility cannot be ruled out at a higher levels. We hope this video is going to help you to prepare your trade plan as well as to take the trades. Thank you very much. See you friends with another video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.